Hello, and welcome to the very first video of the series called A Beginner's Guide to Python. In this series, my goal is for everyone to be able to understand the Python programming language so that you guys are able to read and write Python code easily. But the question that comes up is, why Python? What's so special about Python? Why not JavaScript or HTML or any other programming language? Well, firstly, over the last few years, Python has become increasingly popular. Popular for not only being such a powerful programming language, but also because it is such an easy and eloquent programming language to learn. And the combination of these two makes Python such a good programming language. So Python's got many uses, and it's not only used by software engineers or data scientists. It can be used by anyone. Even librarians could use Python to solve their own problems. Like they can write some Python code to find out the most popular book on the shelf, or to see what kinds of books are borrowed on a daily basis. So Python is versatile. It can be used by anyone, and it can be used for anything. So let's go ahead and download Python onto our devices. So I'll go and open up, and in the Google search bar, I'll type Python, and the first search result should come up as python.org. I'll go ahead and click that. If you hover over the Downloads tab up here, you will see on the left-hand side the types of operating systems you can download Python onto, and on the right-hand side you'll see this big button, and it will say download for your operating system. Mine's Windows, so don't download this button, or don't click this button unless you're sure. And the reason being is because this will download straight away, almost instantly, the 32-bit version of Python. So it won't give you the warning. It doesn't even tell you what if it's 32-bit. So don't do that. Go ahead and click what operating system you have. So mine's Windows, so I'll go ahead and click that. And we're downloading Python 3, by the way. So this is Python 2.7, and this is Python 3.7.7. But the latest version is Python 3.8.2, so we'll go ahead and download it. So wherever you see 64, that means that's the 64-bit version, and you can see there's an embeddable zip file, which means that it'll download a zip file. You have to extract it, and then click the setup wizard that is inside that folder, and it's a bit of a hassle. So that's why I'll move on to the second option, which is executable installer, which I will download it. Make sure that's got 64 there if you're running 64 bits on your device. So it's going to download that, and it won't take that long if you've got decent internet speed. It's not a very heavy program, so it's not even going to take that much time to install Python onto your device. So it's going to say install Python 3.8.2 64-bit. You can install now, or you can customize install. I'm going to do install now, and it won't take that much time. When it's done, we'll see what we can do from there. So you'll know if you've successfully installed Python if it says setup was successful, and you can go ahead and close this. I'm just going to minimize Google Chrome, and so you can see that I can type right here Python 3.8, and it's going to come up as 64-bit. It's going to tell you it's an application. You can go ahead and click that, and you'll see this is like a command terminal where you can type in commands and it will execute them. And Python is like, you can, if you open the Python 3.8 app, it's gonna be like, all right, tell me what to do. That's what it's this three chevrons are telling you. It's like, type in something, I want to do something, tell me what to do. So like any, it's like a very cliche thing, but the first thing we're gonna type and we're gonna see is the print function. The print function, we're gonna print hello world. We're gonna make sure we put in that exclamation mark. If I type print correctly, and I made sure that they've got single quotation marks in there. You can also do double quotation marks, but I prefer single quotation marks because they're easier to type. And then you hit enter. It's going to print hello world. So in the next video, we will do a bit more Python code, and we'll find out ways in which we can type Python, whole scripts that we can later run, and it's going to run the whole script rather than typing, code one by one. Line by line. We're gonna create scripts where we can run, and we're gonna delve into some more still basic but advanced Python theory. So that's it for this video. Please, if you've please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.